ukay find to old money vibes. Tara, let's do it. Paresan ko lang siya ng ating black leggings. I'm gonna wear these pumps na shoes I got from Shopee as well. Diba, pwede na? Ayan, let's accessorize. I want a stud diamond earrings to go with this outfit and watch na silver and gold accent. And I also love this ring, my favorite, big diamond lab made ring from also like this bracelet and this Nefertiti necklace. These are my accessories. And I'm gonna wear this bag na walang tatak. Actually from China ito. And nilagyan ko lang siya ng extra strap that I have. I'm using BLK lip tint para red lips ang atake. Uy, late na ako. Bye-bye guys. Hindi, joke lang. So this is our old money looks. Like they said, bahalag old basta may money. Do you agree, Momshies? O diba, hindi mukhang ukay?